welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Needs This Wig, and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this silky gorgeous beauty right here, and honey, when I tell you she is absolutely easy to put on. Okay, she is extremely easy to put on. So if you are interested in seeing just how she comes right out of the box, how easy she is to put on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. Okay, so let's get into this beauty right here. Okay, gorgeousness, silky beauty right here. So let's go ahead and do so. This is gonna be a super quick and easy install, I already know, so let's do it. You with the hottest under the sun. Damn. Okay, let's get her together. I did tighten the band up so it fits perfect on my head. Absolutely perfect. Look at her. Okay, let's get all this hair out the way. All right, so I'm going to clip it down on the sides. Make sure we have a very, very secure fit. Look at her. Okay, y'all see that? Look at this. That is amazing. Wow, I am loving this. This is a 7x6, so I am loving the lace area. I feel like this is like the perfect amount of lace on me. Yes. So let's go ahead and clip this hair back so we can get into cutting this lace. Now that we got the hair clipped back, we are going to get into this lace, honey, and look at that. This looks amazing. So what we're going to do next is we are going to cut the lace, and let's do so. Really want it, better come get you somebody. Careful what you wish for, make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for. Boom, there you go. Y'all see this? I have not put any product on this lace at all, and you cannot tell me you see the lace. It looks amazing. Look at this. Boom. Okay, so what we're going to do next first is we're going to wax stick this hair back, and y'all already know, but if you're new here, this is what I use off of Amazon. You can check out my Amazon store for this product. You ain't really ready for real. No, So now that we got the flyaways out of the way, which it wasn't a lot of flyaways in the beginning anyway, but the little that was there, we went on and tamed it. So now we're going to melt this lace. I am going to be using Nairobi setting foaming lotion to put around the lace area so we can melt the lace into our skin so it can look like this hair is coming right out of our scalp. So let's do so. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. So now that we are laying this lace down, we're gonna go ahead and get into this hair. And honey, look at this silky gorgeousness right here. This hair is amazing right out of the box, but we are going to just give it a bump here and there. It's not much to really do to this unit because it comes out the box ready to go. All you gotta do is just cut the lace. So while the lace is melting, we are just going to bump it with my flat iron. That one, well baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you wanna have one, yeah. You with the hottest under the sun, but we got the hair. Look at that. We got the hair flat iron, and she's looking absolutely fabulous. I am loving this wig. So let's go ahead and take this wrap off and see how the lace is laying. Required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really say what? Say what? Say what? Okay. Yes, honey. Look at that. Honey. Look at this. Yes, honey. Okay. Lace is melted it. Okay, you can't tell me you see no lace. I don't see no halo effect going on. Like, that lace melt right into my skin. Like, I'm trying to find it and I can't find it. So this lace is amazing. Absolutely amazing. This hair, honey, look at it. Just look at it. Oh, that gorgeousness, that silky gorgeousness. It's like the right amount of shine, so it looks very natural, gorgeous, and absolutely beautiful. And it's flowy. Like, I can't stop putting my hands through it because it feels amazing. I'm not getting any tangles. I'm not getting any shedding. No shedding at all. Tangle free. Is very flowy, extremely easy to put on. The lace melts absolutely fantastic on your head. The pre-pluckage, I don't have to pre-pluck. I don't have to plug anything. Look at that pluckage. Okay, you ain't gotta do nothing with this unit but take it out the box, cut the lace, and go. Okay. Yes, honey, this is what I'm talking about. Easy, beginner friendly for sure. And honey, let me tell you another thing. This unit ain't going nowhere, okay? But that silicone grip in the back, this unit is very secure. I feel absolutely confident that this unit is not going anywhere. And for added security, they got these clips in there and the adjustable band, honey. What else do you need out of a unit? This is the all-in-one type of unit. She gonna get you right, okay? Quick, fast, and in a hurry. So let me show you the bag.
And I'm grateful I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real.
So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair baby hair brush comb combo, a Luv Me Hair hair clip. They sent over an elastic band, wig caps, and a drawstring bag to help store your unit in. Alright, y'all, so let me tell you all the tea about this gorgeous unit right here. Okay, this is Luv Me Hair Party Max Glueless Ready to Go 7x6 Silky Straight Closure HD Lay Pre-plucked and bleached with the breathable cap wig. Okay, honey, yes, this is an all-in-one type of unit. You don't have to do anything but literally take it right out of the box, cut the lace, and go, honey. You ain't really got to bump it if you don't choose to, because she looks absolutely fabulous right out of the box. I'm telling you, honey, this is a great beginner friendly unit and you're gonna look amazing. It is so easy. When I tell you it's easy, it is easy. This unit gives you the option in two default parting, the deep C part or the middle part. I am wearing this in the length 16 inches, but you do have the option to get it in 14, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26 inches as well. You also can get the lace pre-cut at an additional cost. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This is 100% human hair. The density on this unit is 150%. I am wearing this in the color natural black. The parting space on this unit can be done in numerous ways. You can do a left, a right, a deep C part, a right C part. You can do it in the middle. You can do a zigzag. You can do whatever your heart desires. The hairline on this unit is pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and the lace is HD lace. You cannot tell me you see this lace, honey. It melts so seamlessly. It's undetectable, it's invisible. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. Okay, it's coming right out of my scalp. So the cap size on this unit is a 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. And to make the cap even more awesome, it is a breathable cap, so you have the option to scratch or give your scalp the breathability, because you know, honey, it's about to get hot. All right, it's about to get hot, and that breeze back there will be amazing. This unit is glueless, honey. Let me show you. Okay, just in case you missed it, and there she go, like she was never touched. Okay. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it, and you do have the option to dye this. So if you want to put some highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do though. And the lace area is 7x6, which means it goes across 7 inches and goes back 6 inches. So you have so many options with parting, with styling. You're gonna love this unit. So why choose this 7x6 beauty? Okay, why? Because honey, because you will get the frontal effect without the mess. Okay. Throw that glue away, that spray away, and just put her on and go. You will get the frontal effect without the mess. It lays down so flat. Okay, with the Luv Me Hair's upgraded wig cap, you cannot go wrong with the natural hairline, the glueless security, the cozy wear, protective styling, and the built-in anti-slip grip, honey. They thought of everything with this unit. You also will get 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the back. This unit also comes with an attached adjustable band. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and switch it up with a Luv Me Hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this silky beauty, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you're interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video. And I'll see you over there.